Yeah, sorry.
Enemy SAM turret active. You'll get another chance. Weapons free.
Where's your phone? Find your phone. Like we're done. Yeah, let's fire.
Enemy counter UAV inbound.
Yeah, people over there. They just bought a loadout. Money's on us, money's on us. Money's on top. Bro, I shot him.
Gas is closing in. Contract was compromised. Gas locations. Contract full. Target down. Marking the rest of them.
Dropping assault pack.
We've got 10 squads active in the field.
Eyes on field upgrade.
Enemy UAV overhead. Enemy soldier incoming. Hostiles have established the SAM turret.
Yes, and then
You're back on the station. Go get after it. Bounce. Special orders coming in. Locate and eliminate the target.
Eyes on enemy.
what you get, bitch.
Your squad is redeployed. Well done. Get ready to redeploy. Your squad mates back on station. Good work. Enemy UAV is online. You still have squad mates outside the safe zone. Hostile UAV in the area. Enemy UAV overhead. Enemy UAV is online.
Eh, wala niya nila. Fuck you, bro. Aman canım, hep yavalı diyor.
Hostile UAV in the area.
Podałkle.
Buy fail is active. Buy station prices are adjusted.
Hey.
Where you going?
Fuck you, bro. Get the fuck out of there and suck a dick. Karma, get the fuck out of there and suck a dick.
Get ready. Resurgence
Vamos.
Keep your head up and resurgence.
Kian daw bigay siya daw nagluto.
Panoorin niyo ito, guys. Si Ate ay nag-aani ng napakalulusog at malalaking kiwi. Siguradong mahusay ang pag...
Deployment. Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies. Playtime's over. Stand by for deployment to the war zone. Resurgence. Survive to redeploy fallen teammates. Kill to bring them back faster. Alright, soldier. Mark a drop point for
Hey, Panda.
yourself and go get after it.
Sure.
Got 10 squads active in the field.
Bang.
Hindi, kawalan dia betul. Ni suka malah flu. Nah, sudah datang kalau nak kia.
We're returning you to the front. Earn it.
Not this
You
one.
have reinforcements inbound.
It's your phone. Lempelangan zat kami. Paano nga tinarock ka sa ilal Tokyo level na? What the fuck?
Eyes on enemy.
Hey, look at that rock ka sa piyengan. Ang layakipan na nga kapatati eh. Pwede yung patso ng mouse eh. Ito ang naki-train na natangad yun. Yeah. Hindi love jangan game pwede yung bots lang nga no. Maging PPH kami. Kung siyang maayos ang cheese eh. Maaf jangan pauniyaw eh. Ang siya pauniyaw diya nga.
Your squad mate is redeployed. Well done.
Mga ayam na nga. Kaya daw na yun na mo eh. Kaya di kita hatatak nga nga kan long.
All bounty targets are KIA.
Ay, rasin jing.
Never mind.
Đang lời mệnh.
You've got a loadout drop inbound.
Deploy.
Nga ba yung ni eh.
Friendly loadout drops on the way. Enemy UAV overhead. Target of opportunity acquired. Weapons free. Enemy UAV is online. Hostile UAV in the area. Someone take you to the front.
Ngayon, lempo
We can do this.
Objective is lost. Quicker than that. Stand by for redeployment. Solid work evading the enemy. You're clear for now. 5 squads still operational in the AO. Enemy UAV overhead. Hostile UAV in the area. All squad mates are in the safe zone.
Frag drone.
Enemy UAV is online.
Yeah, fucking third party's crazy, bro.
Brilliant, crack.
Hostile
There's motherfuckers on top of the tank. I'm gonna take it. Maybe it's just standing there. Oh, what bad.
Get it done.
Magpaganda mo talk tabi. Gaya lang, wala nang kaya dapat na.
Go get after it. Windows closed. Back to standard procedure.
Yes! The kaya mo. Stop doing that, Ethan.
Price sale active. Buy station prices have been reduced. Time for engines. You're redeploying. Hostile UAV in the area. Resurgence is about to end. Make it count. Enemy sentry is active. Enemy UAV is online. Enemy UAV overhead.
Yes! The fucking
Enemy's got sentry
yeah.
online.
Nga ko follow
Hostile UAV in the
yeah.
area. We've got gas moving in. We're returning you to the front. Earned it. Fire sales over. Just inside them. Enemy UAV overhead. Only 10 left. You're the last one standing, soldier. Survive until your squad can redeploy. You have reinforcements inbound. Be advised,
Oh,
resurgence is
Wally.
no longer active. This is the key. Resurgence has been deactivated. This is the end game.
Yes, fucking yeah.
Three squads left in the war zone. Stay
That's
alert. They hit us hard there.
Very
Mm-hmm. River time.
River time. Daddy.
Mm.
You.
Bro, you can't have a bro. You have a girlfriend when you're like.
Squad. Yeah, I almost won that. Came close.
Okay, let's go. Let's get Lodi as quick as possible. So there's one place at Living Quarters. Here. Bye, White.
Enemy soldier incoming.
Cold. Cold. It's cold, dude.
All stations, Shadow 01. Deployment to the war zone has been authorized.
Yo say left stick means can't guess it a lot. I do not like that shit.
Resurgent. Survive and your team
Kian
can
mag area
redeploy.
99 na mo.
To bring 'em back faster.
Let's get it.
Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
So what?
Plate, bro.
So who?
Got two of them. Oh, they weak, down low.
That's what retired. He said he was. Yeah, I was like, nah, his ass gonna took him. You can actually see why. He had nothing else to play for, really. Yeah, Frank Ballard, Hall of Fame.
No way.
Oh yeah, you should have seen
Come here,
that.
boy.
Y'all should have seen that. You seen
Bro,
that shit?
Teammates lit that damn color.
No one said we trying to steal. I'm trying to fucking hit. That nigga keep putting this on gun. We took that fucking blitz.
And that squad pussy.
Oh shit, he waiting on me. Second kill.
Hunt them down. Enemy UAV is online. Enemy buy station incoming.
Do it, you son of a bitch.
Enemy counter UAV inbound.
Who's your birthday Monday?
Hey, I gotta load up. Oh.
What are you doing?
Still alive, look.
Hey, they pushing me, they pushing me, they pushing me,
Yeah,
they
been
pushing
camping
me.
over there the whole time.
No, I ain't gonna lie. Let's fight out.
I said it. See how they call it. See how they call it, lay it down.
Don't run, please. Don't run.
Two on me the ball.
He broke. Hope he ran upstairs with his ass go down. Oh, hit one. He got to come out. He down. He dead.
More than you can, so get it done, soldier.
I told you about it, Papa. I don't told you everything you need to know.
I don't thirst you, bitch. You can kill my teammate. You getting thirst too. Bad boy. I got him back right for you, Mo.
Only one here. Only one here. Only one here. On top.
For real.
Yep.
Come on, boy. Come out, boy. Where you at, boy? I hear you running, boy. I'm gonna get you, boy.
It's on top. Only one.
Yeah. Oh, he
Should
over
be
there. I
two
wanna
now.
get
It
you,
should
boy.
be two now.
Yeah, I fried one.
You'll get another chance. Weapons free.
Somebody just got smoked. Shut up. Is that a stud I heard talking?
Boy, you suck.
Shut up, stud. Got you. I know you got your Cowboys jersey on. Got that short. Got that
Hey,
short.
right here, kill him, bro. The fuck?
I just killed one. What the hell's that?
Yeah, that's what's up.
We all at the top.
Shaka Zulu. Come on, ho. Where you at, ho? Hey, where y'all couldn't get that?
You're back on station. Stay down. 25 left. Stay sharp.
This squad don't want no smoke with Big Daddy. Hey, one of y'all, look.
But these books are rated out on the roof. Oh my god.
Yeah, he coming up. Wait till he turn back around the corner. You right there, by himself.
Fire fan is active. Buy station prices are adjusted.
I'm trying to fuck
Soldier.
through them bums. Just relocate. I wouldn't even go back over there. I got money to buy us another loadout. Yeah, just stay alive. That's the damn thing. I'm about to say that shit might kill your ass.
I knew somebody was gonna snipe me.
Oh, somebody trying to snipe at you.
Yeah, over there, read it out.
Your squad mate is redeploying. Well done. Resurgence window is ending. Watch your six.
If I go get my loadie, that's their ass. Tell you.
Hey, boy. Read it out.
Enemy soldier incoming.
Make sure you get us a loadout over here.
Yes, this fucking reds.
It's all good. I got y'all. Alright, here. Y'all come get this when y'all come back. Yeah, it's inside the circle. Barely made it, but it's in.
Fire sales done. Prices are back to normal.
Oh my god, boy, these boys is rated out. Everybody just hiding in the window of them.
I swear to God,
Damn.
bro.
Oh, I see one. I'm about to knock his fucking head off. Broke him. He one hit too. One damn shot. Should really be able to get y'all shit.
Supply crates have been restocked. Load up.
You still up there?
God, I'm dead.
Get you back. Hold on. Oh shit.
Wow, through the loadout, this is crazy. Way out is mad rated out. I'm more ready, boy.
Big Daddy gone! Oh!
Hey, Malcolm, Splinter in there. Ready.
God, I had one already.
I can't land. They're all in the damn room. The whole team was in that room.
Damn it! It's two squads.
5 squads still operational in the AO.
I don't got enough to get one. Shit. Oh shit! That dumb thing keep making me fall! This game is a fucking joke! Made me fall twice off the ladder. for no reason.
That is right, bro.
This game be on that bullshit. That shit made me go down twice when I could have got out the damn gas. Shit, I would play again, but this shit got a lot. Bullshit.
What?
Llama a la gente de Verizon y dice, mira, queremos el...
Ay, me acuerdo.
Resurgence. Survive to redeploy fallen teammates. Kill to bring them back faster.
What the fuck?
Loadout drop headed your way. Enemies
uno que se
deployed
me llevó
buy station.
el fusil del pana.
You have reinforcements inbound. Your squad made it to the safe zone.
Essa arma torcada sa moy. Tanga estou já eu anga love casa obrigado. Love food, love your food.
Mira, bebé, mira mi teléfono.
Enemies are dropping into the area. Squad mates back on station. You've got a loadout drop in there.
Diablo, me chocan aquí abajo, loco.
A ver, que culpa, tá, não.
Go get your revenge.
Man,
Your squad mate is redeploying. Well done. Your squad mate's MIA. We're reducing redeployment time.
falei.
Tu ajuda.
Squad's in the safe zone. You're losing ground. Move it. Marked remaining operators from that squad. Hunt them down. Your squad is down. Stay alive to bring them back. You have reinforcements inbound. Your squad mate's back on station. Good work. Target down. Marking the rest of them. Enemy destroyed. Use your tag map to hunt down the rest of them. Deserter left the squad. We'll redeploy you faster to make up for it.
Marking target location.
It's all on you. Stay alive so your squad can redeploy.
Jag tog en lång fixning.
Fire sale active. Buy station prices have been reduced. UAV overhead. Your squad mate is redeployed. Well done. Insurgents is about to end.
Chứ bà rượu anh cũng đi.
Nada.
Enemy sentry DAO. Remaining operators from that squad. Hunt them down. UAV in the area. Enemy UAV is online. Fire sales over. Adjusting prices.
Yeah, wala ni kia lo. Ta dem bugia. Oui. 5 seconds. Oui, बताते थे दाका. ये मैं कट के शायद बेटा. Hey! Thank you. Sorry. What? Woo! Almost. What's up, YouTube? What's up, Kate Battle? Building. Cage building. What to do, my man? No, I know what to do.
Stand by. Enemy soldier incoming. stations, we are green to go. Stand by for deployment. Resurgence. Survive and your team can redeploy. Eliminate targets to bring them back faster.
Tak.
Listening. Tools.
Acho my truque.
Olha, triggered it.
Bring them back. Target down. Marking the rest of them. Enemy counter UAV inbound. Hostile UAV in the area. Enemy sentry is active. You're the last one standing,
Great.
soldier. Survive until your squad can redeploy. Enemies dropping into the AO. You have reinforcements inbound. Enemy UAV overhead. Enemy counter UAV inbound.
Visual on enemy.
Enemy counter UAV inbound. Enemy UAV is online. Safe zone. Gas is moving. 25 are still active in the AO. Get a hop overhead.
Jag stör mig när jag går från by.
Your squad mate is redeploying. Well done.
Sending the Semtex.
Kebetulan kia. Coba tak check ikut.
Down to you, soldier. Stay sharp.
Taking fire.
Friendly loadout drops on the way. Your squad mate's back on station. Good work. You're the last one standing, soldier. Survive until your squad can redeploy. assault UAV in the area. You have reinforcements inbound. Enemy UAV is online. Enemy UAV overhead. We've got 10 squads active in the field.
Die willen ons.
Di ba down lang?
Your squad is down. Stay alive to bring them back.
Hey, dit is down, gamer. Hey. Okay. Down with me now. I'm sorry. I left you, okay? No, actually. Mana tuan?
Enemies are dropping into the area. All stations, green light.
No! Yes.
Resurgence. Stay alive to keep the squad in fire.
Just close.
Yo, shot 3 of those niggas, what's up, baby? Fucked on all y'all niggas.
Enemy dropping into the AR.
Make y'all niggas land, y'all niggas some bums, nigga. Go, nigga.
Additional contract
Get better,
online.
nigga. Nice one, bastard. Mike, why are you roof camping?
Hey! Come here, son. You fucking. Get down, nasungoy kumyak. No, sit down.
You made the top 25. Well done.
Miami.
Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch
Sigue
your
segurísimo.
Get ready. You're redeploying. Get to the safe zone. You've got gas moving in.
Intolla lo tiro. Minno, antolla yine. Zaten antolla.
Tolla, tolla.
You've got a loadout drop inbound.
Hey, no, come. Come sit down. Put Gymnat TV on your phone. Hurry up. Put Gymnat TV on your phone.
Need medical attention.
Hey, wala. Yeah. Hey, Sante, where's your phone? Put Gymnat TV.
You're getting another chance. Weapons free. Stand to you, soldier. Stay sharp.
Wanna go what? I would, but I'm actually gotta go to the temple with my friend.
Your squad mate is redeploying. Well
Alright. Later, bro.
done. Got an extra valuable opportunity here.
Let's get this guy in our building.
No, wait, ba?
Oh,
Nag-blue.
he's up.
One down, one down.
Hey, it's been.
Wala.
Ewa.
Así.
Football! Football! Football!
¿Qué pedo? Espérame, güey, espérame.
The war zone. Get geared up and stand by. All stations, we are green to go. Stand by for deployment. Resurgence. Survive to redeploy fallen teammates. Kill to bring them back. Still. Enemy soldier incoming. Additional target added while time remains.
TACOM, launch a UAV.
Primary objective complete. All targets eliminated. Enemy destroyed. Use your TAC map to hunt down the rest of them.
Straight.
Loadout drop headed your way.
Eyes on enemy.
Your squad made it to the safe zone. Gas is inbound.
I just seen one right here.
Right there.
Shimmy shouldn't be like over here. Yeah, Shimmy's right here, Shimmy's right here.
Go get your revenge.
Oopsie.
It's all on you. Stay alive so your squad can redeploy.
Let's go.
Friendly loadout drops on the way. Squad mates back on station. Good work. Enemy UAV overhead. Enemy UAV is online.
Damn, that stinks.
I cannot. I'm not good with fucking yard.
Nah, I didn't even have anything.
You're back on station. Go get after it. Enemy counter UAV inbound.
Este 20 era vagada.
¿Dónde estás, pendejo?
Less than 20
Me 22 años.
Hit us hard that time. Dust yourself off, regroup, and get back out there.
I invite my
redeploy to the war zone. Resurgence. Stay alive to keep your squad in the fight.
Go.
Additional target added. The enemy took that one, but we'll get them back.
Hey, that was nice. Sorry.
Yes, take care.
Okay. I some rip my value thing. Alright.